Morning again. The weekend is over and today is Monday and it's 7:05. Her school time has extended to 12, so she already had her breakfast. She loves black tea and everything is done, and she's watching her a little show just to refresh her mind. Yeah, with the sleepy head. Unicorn bag, her tiffins, sleepy wool. She loves sleepy wool, and our water bottle, so she got ready. My goodness, the weather is so good, so chill, and the fresh air is nice. Yeah, everyone, it's a beautiful morning. Look at the weather. Today I'm loving the weather, okay? Otherwise you cannot say. The weather is extremely hot, and sometimes I feel pity to my daughter, but today the weather is so good. You can, even the birds are happy, even we the human, because of the weather. So I hope today the weather will be suitable for us. So now we got ready. This is my daughter ID card, waiting for her Chacha, and she went to wake her Chacha today also. Look at the way our grapes, this time our grapes was so good, okay, but the problem is because of hot, all the fruits were rotten. Good morning. Are we excited to go to school?
Yeah. Look at the beautiful flowers, Mama. They are blooming.
Oh my God. Give the key to your Ombi Chacha.
What?
Give the key to Ombi Chacha.
I know, but I can give it.
Chalo, jaldi.
What we are waiting for, guys?
What we are waiting for?
It smells like chocolate. Smell like chocolate.
Ombi Chacha smells like shakar.
What is shakar, beta?
It smells like vanilla ice cream.
Who knows? The car. Open. That's a good job. Ah, you know how to open. See there. Hey, be careful with your hand. Give the key to Omi Chacha. Morning, this is just in front of our house. Go. Today it seems. That's why she doesn't know where to enter.
So she understands you.
Yeah, she knows the gate. That's why how.
But you know that this year I am having I like my braids.
Ah, you like your hairstyle?
Yeah, and here's your Chacha. Driving the car. Boy, women's. Young Chacha, do you like the boy here?
She can, but she said that I can also use your picture saying you are the only one who took the key. Like that. Then mommy took the key na that day. Then I went to mommy and check her bag again. And it was saying mommy's bag and daddy's bag.
Woohoo! So fun, Mama.
It's always good to wake up in the morning.
Yep, it's for 2 weeks.
Say,
The air is my favorite, but finally, I'm so excited here.
Yeah.
So I sleep. I was last night I was sleeping, and now it's the morning. So I arrange everything and the bed.
Are you for your blanket?
Yeah, and I
You
fold
folded your blanket.
Of course I did, and
These days you do a great job every time.
yeah.
So. But do also Aya.
But I just sneeze, Mama.
Yeah, you sneeze.
Come to the house. Silly me. No. Silly me. And that autumn, this is a
Where
truck.
is the truck going?
Or that I can see a green auto rickshaw, 2 green auto rickshaw. Oh yeah, they're the same colors.
way we have to go now? Which way?
Yeah, that way.
हाँ तो पूछिए तो he cannot carry this much आलू यार.
डिलीवरी करने जा रहा
हाँ शायद किसी का होटल
फैक्ट्री
में.
होगा हाँ वो फैक्ट्री होगा वहाँ से सबको डिलीवरी देते होंगे
कितना फ्रेश है तो कितना ऐसे लेने से तो अच्छा था.
That way.
Say which way?
That way.
Yeah, but here which way?
now where
We have to go to 3 ways are there.
now where tell me fast
Fast.
That way.
We have to turn this side. You little silly.
Silly creature. I'll show you.
where
There. Over
Where?
right there. Where the yellow? Over right there. Over right there. I found it. I found it. See? I found it. Right beside the bushes.
right beside the bushes
Yeah, the bushes. The bushes. Oh, everybody's in rush today. Everybody's
huh?
Yeah, but everybody's in way in rush.
But why they are rushed today?
They're way in a rush today.
Because you have school.
Yeah, I hope we are now late. We are the last one. We are the last one. We are the last. We are the last.
Muddy puddles. This is called muddy puddle. You can do muddy puddles here now.
Yeah, but it'll make my clothes dirty if I do it now.
Yeah.
And everybody will clean it up.
Uh-huh.
And then you'll pick
So guys, it's a beautiful morning. So I already dropped my daughter at school. Crochet become one of my therapy. So I'm going to start now because I dropped my daughter at school. So now it's my time. I have a free time, so I'm going to start crocheting. Crocheting is my favorite, but to arrange this yarn that become a headache and I feel so lazy to do this one. So I asked my husband to help me. Last time he helped me a lot, so this time also I asked him to arrange this for me. So let's see. Another one. This is a pinky. So what do we call this? Bergamot. This is a red color. I love red color. So I'm thinking to make my daughter sweater. Let's make this. This is too small, I think. So I'm gonna make it. So you need to do like this. So this is how I'm making. Before my daughter comes, before time I need to go and get her again. So that's why I'm doing fast. My heart. Already 15 minutes late हो गया. Maybe she will be alone. Look at this weather. Here's the bridge water. sweating like. Today Bai did not come again, so I was working in the kitchen. So I just forgot to see the timing. Very late. It's raining and everywhere. That's cool. The flowers so beautiful. See, look at this. The flower. Look at that beautiful hair.
You wish you can also
You stand there. I will take your picture.
That's my big boy.
Yeah. So let's go. No, Julaju is already wetted. And it's not going to be okay. Come. Hey, no water, no water. Padi. Padi kar lo. Padi kar lo. Madi padal kar lo. She loves to do madi padal. That's why she's doing madi padal. Haha. What a madi padal. Here also you can do madi padal. Here. Madi padal. Or madi padal. At your school, she had a big campus, the school. And here is Aru. Come, let's go. How was school?
Good.
It was good.
Yeah.
You love school?
Yeah.
Let me carry you over. Aru already got holiday. And India. Hello. Don't run with me. We are here now.
Run.
And there's Daddy. Run. Hey. Here we go. Run, बहुत run कर रहा है तो चलो अरू excited?
Yeah.
That's nice.
School was good.
That's good. The beautiful flower. It's blooming nicely. Wow, very nice flower.
No, I want the shy bright.
Daddy's buying mangoes there.
Jolly, jump on.
So we are back home now. I'm so tired. Ah, be careful. Rain, go away. Come again another day. Flower.
No, take out this.
Enjoy the rain. I always enjoy the rain. Look at the weather. It's hot, so we are gonna take a bath in the rain, okay? So look at that. Aru is back home. She took a shower.
In the rain.
Yeah, and we took a shower in the rain. And we had so much fun. And now she's going to watch her show and have her lunch again. Yeah. Oh, we are so tired now.
Mama, what did I just like it?
I don't know.
Mama, what happened to us?
So,
Mama,
okay, anyway, thank you so much for watching. You want to say something?
I love you, viewers. You are my best friends.
Say something.
I love you, viewers. Bye-bye. See you next time. Mama,